Kenyatta National Hospital privately. The spouse, the father of the children, family, and friends to the bio. We want to tell the members of public that today at 1:03 p.m. we have lost the bio. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. But she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to AAR in Kemburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, but the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral and all the other communications and brief will come later. The life of our dear friend rest in peace and fare thee well it is thine. We loved you, but God loved you more. You have been a hero. You have inspired many. You sang to us in the 11th hour. We all slept believing that it is 11th hour that God would reinstate your health. But God has done according to his will, and we respect the will of God. Fear thee well, our dear friend, and we love you so much.
Okay, second.
Makanya also siku hapa ni haraka abeti mashabiki ake familia yake hamwe na tobonya afuri ya mwana na huko mwikwa mtokoria itu betu sawa oga nema itu baile ndio kwa umuthi kulingana na mmoja awareke alkimia kwa kutengeneza wiki ngima au kukerejea kila siode na madaktari maheni kiruma wanatingano sio kuigerera nitoikitie Elizabeth atakogaye kwa madani rogoso mashabiki make mumere familia mumere ayu mumere ala mumere tuko Kenyatta na isi na kureka kusemania kule KU referral kule kuiga mwili wake mifago oyo tuko kumenyia ni moyo baraka wito beti dio koro kwete
Urerorera Mohuro TV.